Have you ever spent hours looking for the perfect background music only to get slapped with a copyright claim later? Or maybe you tried AI tools like Suno, but the results just didn't quite match your vision? Today I'm going to show you how I create copyright-free music using HitPaw Edimakor. Whether you need instrumentals or full vocal tracks, this tool lets you generate custom music tailored to your taste. Honestly, I think it might be a better option for creators than Suno. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Create your AI song prompt. First, we need a solid prompt. Open ChatGPT, describe your music style, and grab the prompt along with the lyrics. This is the blueprint for your song. I've already put all the prompts in the description below the video. Step 2. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Once you open the software, click New Project to begin. Step 3. Generate the music. Go to the Audio tab and click on AI Music. Here, you can choose between song or instrumental, whatever fits your project. Now, there are two ways to generate AI music. Method 1. Text to music. Switch to basic mode. There are several models available, but I highly recommend Luria 3 Pro. It's incredibly powerful and covers virtually every creative need you might have. Once you've selected it, just paste your prompt from ChatGPT. Select your desired music style, scenes, and instruments, then click Generate. Method 2. Music to music. Switch to reference music. Upload the music file or audio, paste the lyrics, click Generate. After a few minutes, your copyright-free song is ready to go.
Late night, driving under city lights.
It feels so real. That actually hits. Every song you generate here is safe to use on YouTube, Instagram, or even in paid ads. Step 4. Re-edit or make a music video. If you're not satisfied with the song, just right-click and choose Re-edit to adjust the prompt. But wait, there's more. If you love the track, you can actually turn it into a visual masterpiece. You can generate custom scenes for your song and turn it into a unique AI music video. All you need to do is click Image Generate to create the characters or scenes you want. Then right-click and select Image to Video. So you can edit everything right inside the app. Just like that, you've turned those images into a stunning video.
Late night, driving under city lights. Your hand in mine, and the world feels right.
When you export the video, you can also publish to social media. By adding the specific tags we currently provide, you can earn additional bonus points. Can't wait to see your masterpiece. Now that you know how to create copyright-free songs, what are you waiting for? If you're interested in more features, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content coming soon. Also give this video a like and drop a comment below. Tell me what kind of AI song you'd create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.